summer lunch programs are always a really nice thing to offer children.
Yeah, and some great weather here over the next few days to get out and about across the region. Enjoy some of these beautiful mornings for this time of year because, well, we expect the heat and the humidity to roar back by the end of this week. Live view in Carbondale this morning, we've got a few reports of some fog, mainly in some of the low-lying areas. Again, not too much of an issue this morning. 67 degrees there, and winds are still light this morning out of the north and northeast. That is actually pushing in some cooler, less humid air. Humidity remains tolerable over the next couple of days, and sunny skies today, and at least it's going to be cool for the second half of July. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be cool by any means. We're talking highs still in the mid to upper 80s today. Things starting to warm back up as we head into Wednesday. We start to climb back into the upper 80s. By the end of this week, we're into the 90s, and as the humidity begins to return, we're likely going to see the chance for a few pop-up showers and storms also return into our forecast. Clear skies, though, over southern Illinois and much of southeast Missouri. Still tracking a few clouds into parts of western Kentucky this morning. That little area of low pressure, that stalled front to our south that brought us all the rain this past weekend, continues to work its way farther away from us. Still seeing a few clouds associated with that in some of our southern counties, but high pressure in control across the Midwest. That's going to keep the northeast wind around this afternoon with mostly sunny skies, especially in some of our northern counties. Expecting lots of sunshine. 83 today in Mount Vernon, 85 into Benton, 85 into McLeansboro, Ridgeway up to about 87 this afternoon. Maybe one of the warmer spots there on the board. Mid to upper 80s as well across western Kentucky and down the Purchase Parkway from Mayfield and into parts of northwest Tennessee, Union City and Martin, Tennessee, up to about 86 degrees this afternoon. And a few more clouds in some of our southern counties today. Otherwise, not too much of a weather concern. That breeze will be out of the north and east and continue to push in that cooler, less humid air. A cool and wet pattern as the jet stream taking a big dip across the eastern half of the U.S. But enjoy the nice weather while we've got it, because by the end of this week and into the weekend, big dome of high pressure that right now is camped out across the west coast begins to expand, and that means we're going to start to see some of that heat and that humidity also expand. The bottom is the temperature. On top of that, that is the heat index. So 85 today, 88 tomorrow, 89 on Thursday. Notice the heat index values and the temperatures basically the same, but by Friday, temperatures continue to creep up, and so does the humidity. So by Friday afternoon, heat index values are into the lower 90s. By Saturday, into the upper 90s, and by Sunday, those heat index values creeping very close to 100 degrees. So we've got some change on the way. Enjoy today and enjoy tomorrow. 85 today, 88 tomorrow. Chance for a couple pop-up showers and storms also back in the forecast for Thursday and Friday. Nothing to really be concerned about, though, towards the end of this week. And then we look ahead to the weekend, and it's just going to be flat out hot. 92 on Saturday, 93 on Sunday, 90s into the early part of next week, and maybe a few more scattered showers and storms in here Sunday and Monday. But all signs point to a lot of warm weather into much of next week with temperatures into the low to mid 90s, heat index values very close to 100.
I like seeing the rain chances so low.
Yeah, we're ready to dry out. I wish we could just kind of bottle up today, bottle up tomorrow, and kind of hold on to it, though, because it's fixing to get hot.
All right. Well.